everyone, welcome to my channel, The Middle Class Mom.
Today I will be doing a living room tour of my son-in-law and daughter's rented apartment.
Stay with me till the end of the video. You will also get some ideas about how you can save money on decorating your house by things which you can make on your own or upcycling things.
If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video.
All of us want to decorate our houses beautifully, but at the same time, we think about doing it at a budget. A house should reflect the personality and the likings of the people staying there. It is only then that the house becomes a home. Today in this video, I will be showing you how we have decorated the house with many of the things that I, my daughter and my mother have made. We have also upcycled and recycled some of the old furniture. Welcome!
When you visit an Indian home, the first thing which you come across is a toran at the entrance door. We have also made a toran with red satin cloth. The flowers are decorated with pearls and golden beads. We have also used satin and tissue ribbons to make the bows. Red color is supposed to be auspicious and very welcoming. My daughter has used the one-stroke painting method to decorate this nameplate. She has made the design of a cabbage rose with light pink color and light green leaves. I gifted this painting to my son-in-law and daughter on their wedding. I painted this as I wanted to do something special for them. The technique used here is that of a 3D cold ceramic painting. I have given a 3D effect with clay paste and painted with vibrant oil colors. The theme is that of a countryside house. This looks very nice against the cream wall behind it. The children tell me that everyone who visits the house appreciates this painting very much. We have kept a small urli filled with water in which flowers have been put. This is said to bring wealth and positive energy into the home. The white metal stand was one which we already had. The urli was also an old one which we repainted with copper color. Having a Buddha painting in the house creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere. We all had liked this picture a lot and decided to paint this. My daughter painted this using acrylic colors. This was done on a canvas. Keeping with the color scheme, bright yellow has been used for the flowers, leaves and bamboo. Contrast has been created by using turquoise blue for the Buddha and red to highlight the flowers. Since we had already placed 2 paintings on both the walls, we decided to go with floating shelves for this wall. The Ganesha and Rajasthani folk musician idols add an ethnic look to this place. They were also gifts from friends. As the children are very passionate about reading, so they have placed books that they are currently reading in the middle shelf. A rock which has a bird painted on it was made by my daughter and is kept here to give support to the books. This can also be used as a paperweight or used to decorate the pots. The detailed tutorial on how to make this is on my other channel, and the link to this is in the description box below. In between the metallic chairs, you can see a stand that is made from the coffee plant stem. I had picked this up from Sakleshpur, which is near Chikmagalur in Karnataka. This place is full of tea and coffee estates. Once the coffee plant dries up, beautiful decorative items and furnitures are made from the coffee plant stem and roots. To give it a new look, we applied varnish on it and polished it. Small pots have been kept on the stand. There is a terracotta Ganesha which has been placed, which my daughter brought from a local exhibition. She then painted the tree Ganesha with bright acrylic colors. The children didn't want to place a dining table and clutter the space. So to keep it open, they decided to upcycle 2 metallic chairs which are nearly 20 years old. They painted them with oil paint, and my daughter used one-stroke painting method to create beautiful sunflower design on the chairs. To create a contrast to the brown metallic chairs, yellow silk cushions have been placed on the chairs. The ceramic pot with the floral design I bought at a local nursery for 150 rupees, and the pair of terracotta lamps that you see at a local exhibition for 70 rupees. In the corner, we have placed a corner table which we got from Shivaji Nagar for 1200 rupees. Palms are supposed to be good air purifiers and humidifiers, so we placed an areca palm to highlight the place and make it more lively. Another beautiful addition is the Kalamkari design lamp. I bought this lamp from Chitra Sante, the annual art exhibition organized by Chitrakala Parishad in Bangalore. All of us fell in love with this lamp the minute we saw it. It has beautiful Kalamkari, floral and peacock patterns on it. It brings a warm and cozy feeling in the evening when the lamp is switched on. The Buddha pot you see here is of ceramic. My son-in-law liked this so much and picked it up at a local exhibition for 500 rupees. The ribbon embroidery photo frame is made by my mother, who is very good and passionate about embroidery and other artwork. For the main seating arrangement, we decided to invest in a good quality sofa. We bought this leather sofa from Shivaji Nagar in Bangalore, where they make customized furniture according to your liking. If you don't want to invest in a branded sofa, then you can check out this place. The color of the sofa is neutral brown. We selected this color as it was easy to maintain and also, if needed, could be highlighted with cushions of bright colors or throws. The color of the carpet is also in keeping with the same color scheme of yellow and brown to match the sofa set. This we got from Amazon. The quality is good and the cost was reasonable. It costed us around 3,500 rupees. The link is mentioned in the description box below. The center table that you can see here is nearly 15 years old. This is made of cane. The color of the cane was not matching the sofa, so we applied a wood polish of brown color and it turned out as good as new. The candle holder and the cute dog statue are gifts from friends. In the ceramic pot, money plant is placed to bring some greenery. I am sure all of you must have also faced the problem of how to hide the cable or TV wires. Here I have used the artificial creeper to cover the wires as much as possible. If you have any other ideas about this, please do share in the comment box. The fridge has been placed in this corner of the living room since there is no separate dining area. A photo frame has been placed on the fridge with family photos. My daughter picked up this glass bottle with the words printed, "Live in the moment," which quite suits a style of living according to me. As we couldn't put a curtain in this place, we placed artificial creepers entwining the curtain rod to camouflage it. Fairy lights have been placed on the curtain rod as well as in the glass bottle. This wall hanging has been hung from the curtain rod, which has terracotta figures stuck on a wooden board, adding to the ethnic look. In the evening, the place looks very beautiful. If you want to learn how to do any of the paintings shown in this video, or would you like to order any of the paintings from us, then please go and check out our website Ridhima Creations artandcraft.com. The link to that is given in the description box below. Hope you all enjoyed my video. We talk about decluttering and recycling. Hope this video has given you some ideas about how we need not buy everything new to decorate our homes. Using DIY and recycled items, we can always go ahead and decorate our houses beautifully. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.